Greetings, presentation parishioners, in this joyous season when we celebrate the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. We are mindful of the abundant blessings God has shared with us. We, as the parish staff of presentation, want to extend our gratitude for all of you and the blessing you are throughout the year to our parish community. So in the season when we celebrate, in the season when we give thanks, we are here to give thanks to all of you. And we want to do that by raising our voices in song. So join with us as you hear us singing. Oh, come all ye faithful.